question I have taken. Estimate the given number to the nearest 1000. So let's see. Here first find a place which digit is given as thousands place. So here number 1,52,514. Here 2 is at thousands place. So the number which is at 100 place we will compare with 5. जो डिजिट बॉक्स के राइट साइड में बाद में थाउजेंड प्लेस के पहले आती है हंड्रेड प्लेस, दैट डिजिट यू विल कंपेयर विथ 5. सो हियर कंपेयर दिस 5 विथ 5, the 5 which is equal to 5, so that we will add 1. Okay, if 5 or bigger, add 1 more to the thousand place or place which is given in the example. Therefore add 1 to the thousand place digit. That is, we are going to add 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore, we can say 1,52,514 estimated to the nearest 1000 as 1 lakh. Now you need to write here 3000 and now here you need to write 3000. Okay, here 1,53,000 is the required answer. Same way we will do here. Just find a place which digit is at 1000 place. So here 2 is given as 1000 place. Therefore 52,378. 2 is at 1000 place. So compare the digit 3 which is at 100 place with 5. On comparing we got 3 is less than 5. So 3 is less than 5. If smaller numbers are there, so no need to change. Therefore no need to change. And put all zeros to the right side of this thousand place. Therefore 52,378 estimated to the nearest 1000 as 52,000. ओके, यहाँ पे हमने कोई भी चेंज नहीं किया, यहाँ पर किया था just because of this 100th place digit is 5 and here 3 is there. 3 स्मॉल था, सो हमने कोई चेंज नहीं किया. यहाँ पर 5 इक्वल था या उससे बड़ा भी है तो हम 1 ऐड करेंगे जो 1000 प्लेस पे है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. थैंक यू वेरी मच.